every Saturday.
Subscribe to 3W Outdoors. Today we're releasing more fish into the pond.
Alright, we got a dozen more fish here to release in the pond. Let them go, Bubby. Show them to the camera now. That was one bluegill. We got some nice bluegills and a couple little bass. Oh yeah, that's a nice little bass. He'll grow fast. Whoa, that's a nice bluegill. Nice and dark. Uh-oh. He's pushing him to me. Push him to me. Releasing fish in a canoe is not the easiest thing. Come here, bud. This is going real smooth, you know. Alright, here he is. There you go, he's fine. What's that? Another decent bluegill. Yeah. Hand me one. I want to see one swimming off. Almost dark here. We've been fishing all evening. Bubby just dropped another one. Come here, bud. Alright. Let's see. Your new home. Your new home. Oh, yeah. I like it here. Another one. Big bluegill. We've got 10 bluegill and 2 little bass. This will make 96 bluegill and bass we've released in this pond. That doesn't count all the fingerlings that we released. Bubby dropped another one. This is not going so smooth in the canoe.
Stop flopping around.
This is like a. I might have to post this under our comical section.
I don't see another bass.
Oh, another bluegill. You gotta show them to us now. You're just tossing them in. What was that? Bluegill? Bluegill were biting tonight. We actually, it's good. We don't like to transport more than about a dozen in this bucket, and we come about 10 miles away. There's a nice little bass. Let him loose easy. Let's see. All right. We don't like to transport about a dozen what we fit in a bucket with half full of water.
That's it.
That it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We don't like to transport more than about a dozen fish in a half bucket of water. With the aerator, it works fine. We had about 2 dozen fish, and we let loose a bunch of little bluegills and just kept the big ones. So let's go over here and listen to the frogs. Lots of bullfrogs here. As soon as June the 8th hits and it's bullfrog season, frog gigging season, it's going to be a blast here for 3W Outdoors. Cause
more like July something.
Huh? No, bullfrogs June 8th. Turtles July. They all quit yelling when you come over here by them. But there's a lot of bullfrogs in here. Nice evening. So that makes 96 fish we've released in here so far, and 400 fingerlings.
800.
Well, 800 including minnows. So, all right, 3W Outdoors.
Hit the bell to be notified when we post a new video. Like and follow us on Facebook at 3W Outdoors.